Welcome. Today I will talk about Japan travel tips for March. Some ideas for festivals in Japan, but please check with the local travel authority if this festival is really going on. I double checked everything, however sometimes there are mistakes, you never know, and you don't want to be disappointed at the end of the day. I will give you ideas what to wear in March. As you can see from my thumbnail already, it is cold in March. I'm living in the Kanto region in Japan, so mostly it's all around this area, around Tokyo, Yokohama, Miura Peninsula, Saitama, all this area. And it's also cherry blossom time in Japan. Cherry blossom actually starts already in February, and you guess where? Okinawa. Yeah, and then it slowly moves up the country. There are dedicated websites where you can find out when and where is cherry blossom in Japan. One of these websites are from JR Rail Pass. It has 4 or 5 languages. And as you can see, when you scroll down, it's everything is there. So let's take a look at the weather. This is a website where you can find the temperature from this year, March 2019. I think it's very useful. Japan has 6 climate zones: Sea of Japan, Kyushu, East Japan, Nankai, Setouchi, Nansei, Shoto and Chichijima. March is considered winter and spring. You might go after the onion principle, so you can take some clothes off and have different layers of clothes. I want to give you an idea where I have been in March 2019. We went to Izu. There is a train, it calls the Izu Cradle, and you can view cherry blossom. I have a video about it on my channel. Then we went to Tokyo Palace, and they have also cherry blossom viewing, Kamakura. And after that we had 1 week travel with the ferry first to Tokushima, and then Kobe, Osaka to the whirlpools and Koyasan. We went home, and after that we went to Toyama, and there you can see the fire squid at night. Okay, let's start with the festivals. 1st of March is the Omitsutori Fire Festival in Nara. From the 1st to 3rd of March is the Awashima Ginger Grand Festival in Kumamoto Prefecture in Uto. From the 1st to the 14th of March, they have a Todai Ji Shuni in Nara. So you get the idea. Just look at the calendar, forward or rewind, and see what date you are in Japan and see if there is a festival, and then Google it to see if you are interested in it. Like this video. I see you next week Thursday. This is then 2 days after Christmas. I'm German. We celebrate Christmas on the 24th of December. And yeah, I see you then. Tschüss!